making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year is...
I'm finally done shopping for my Christmas decor. I think I have everything that I wanted to get. These are items that I picked up over the past couple weeks. So I've been saving them in my car, and today is the day that we will be taking them out and putting them out in my living room and in my house. So I did get different things from different stores like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Michaels, and I believe Home Goods. So let's start off with this adorable nutcracker decor piece. This has got to be my most favorite ones. It's absolutely beautiful. This one here is from Michaels. And when I say Michaels keeps getting better and better each year, I am not kidding. It's absolutely adorable. I picked this up as soon as I saw it, and I believe it was on sale when I got it. It was like 50% off. It was $34.99, so it was 50% off that, which was an amazing deal. And this is just, it's beautiful. I don't know if I'm going to put this in my bedroom or my living room, but we will see. I also got from Michaels these two nutcrackers. I probably have over 50 nutcrackers altogether, but I do like to switch them up every year. And these are so pretty. They are very like velvety. They're not like just wood. They're like velvet. And they are just beautiful. They're that perfect shade of pink. They have a little like stone here. Like, it's beautiful. So of course I had to pick up two. I got two right there. There's my cat. She loves when I go shopping. So that was from Michaels. Also from Michaels, I did get this little Christmas tree. And the reason why I got this is so that I can put it in my bedroom. I thought it was cute because it's not like super tiny. It's like the perfect size. It's so pretty, and the stand is pink. So picked it up, and I believe this one was like $4.99, also on sale. Also from Michaels, I did get this beautiful plaque. It says Nutcracker Ballet, and look how gorgeous this is. It is beautiful. It's like so nicely made, and it just looks so whimsical, so girly. This one was $24.99, so it was 50% of that. Also from Michaels, I did get this little book. It's so pretty. It says A Christmas Carol, and it's light pink, perfect for display and decor. And it is a little box, so you can use it to store things in there, but I think this was really pretty. This one was $19.99. I think it was also 50% off. So let's move on to some items from TJ Maxx. I did get these gorgeous hand towels with gingerbread. Very cute and pink. So soft. And this comes in a set of two, which I thought was great. And these were $14.99. Also from TJ Maxx, I got this gorgeous throw blanket with gingerbread as well, and it has the light shade of pink. This is definitely going to go in my living room, and I picked this up as well. Look how stunning this one is. It's going to go so perfect. It has little gingerbread, and it goes together with the blanket. When I saw this, I had to grab it. I wish there was two. There was only one. And I forgot how much this one was, but I think it was like $19. This one here was from Marshalls, and it's another nutcracker, and it's so pretty. Very, very pink. It's like a smaller one, but I thought this was like so adorable. There was only one, so Of course, I picked them up. This one was $12.99. Yeah, so that wasn't that bad. And then I got these two from TJ Maxx. These are all pink nutcrackers, but I love the fact that they have little rhinestone details. So pretty. And I did get two. There was only two, so I picked them both up. These are gonna look so pretty. I think I might actually put these in my vanity, like on the side of my mirrors. I just love this pink color. It's like the perfect pink. These, I believe, were $14.99. Yep, $14.99, and they are from TJ Maxx. So pretty, and I haven't seen these ever since, so I'm very glad that I picked them up. Now I have like a bunch of nutcrackers, like my nutcracker collection. I have so many, love them. From Home Goods, I got this beautiful pink Santa Claus. I actually got this like, I think it was like October. It was like one of the first like Christmas decor pieces that they came out with, and the moment I saw him, I was like, this is gorgeous. It has the pink, the gold, and he's beautiful. Like, look how cute he is. Such a cute little Santa Claus. So I got this to put somewhere in my living room, and he is adjustable, so he's a little crooked right now because he's been sitting in my car in the bag, so I'll have to fix him up. From Marshall's, I got this here. Look how beautiful this is. Gorgeous. The moment I saw all these nutcrackers, I'm like, yeah, this has to be for me. It's a table runner, and it's beautiful, like absolutely beautiful. This is only $9.99, so of course I had to get it because it's so me. It's perfect. So when I went to Michael's, they didn't have these, and then I ended up going back and I found them. So I'm very glad I did, because this was all I needed for my collection. So I got this one here from the Nutcracker. It's so beautiful. It's gorgeous. It has like little tulle in her dress, and she is beautiful, like absolutely beautiful. So I picked that up, and I believe those were on sale too. They were like $9. And then I got this one to go with it, but look what just happened. Its hand just fell off. So I am devastated. I have to find it. It has to be somewhere in the bag. So I'll just hot glue it. But yeah, I can't believe this happened. I mean, if worse comes to worse, I can always pair them up like this, so you can't really see that it's missing the arm. But I'm so sad. I waited so long, and I drove to Michael's over 4 times in the past couple weeks waiting for these to come out, and I can't believe the hand is gone. Anyway, the last thing I got is also from Home Goods. It is this gorgeous little dome with a house inside, and it is made out of glass, so it's like super fragile. It's very, very cute, and I believe this was $9.99, which is such an incredible deal.
Gonna be you and me, hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me.